Welcome to Inside Factory Work. This is the place where we take you behind the scenes of the world's factories and reveal how things are really made. From money printing and food processing to giant manufacturing plants, industrial machines, and advanced production technology, we explore the fascinating processes that transform raw materials into the products we use every day. Every video takes you deep inside real manufacturing processes, showing each step from start to finish in a simple, educational, and cinematic way. If you're passionate about factory documentaries, industrial technology, giant machines, and how it's made content, you're in the right place. To watch more amazing factory stories, manufacturing secrets, and behind-the-scenes production processes, be sure to subscribe to Inside Factory Work and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's go inside the factory and discover how today's product is made. Inside Factory Work, where we show you how things are really made.
The thermal transfer is stabilizing. Optimal color saturation achieved. The thermal rollers are set to specifications. Processing initiated. Monitor the alignment carefully. Confirmed, application is successful.
The UV process is stabilizing. Good. Check the IR temperature.
The system shows 0 errors.
Verification complete on all security features. The stacking sequence is proceeding as planned. Excellent. Maintain current pace and pressure. The intake is confirmed. The count is accurate.
Excellent. Proceed with the final placement.
Received. Moving the load. The temperature is perfect. Let's proceed with the inspection. The system shows a steady intake of 50,000 one-notes. The robotic placement units are peak efficiency. Pallet 50,000A is aligned.
Confirmed. Engaging hydraulic lift.
Monitoring levels 7 and 8. Continue synchronized operations.
Pallet 3 is secure on the AGV. Confirmed. Ready for staging.
Proceed with final application. Acknowledged. Initiating sealing sequence. Verified seal is complete. Documenting successful overwrapping. Proceed with lowering the central pallet, confirming approach of AGVs to secure Zone 4. Monitoring all crane telemetry, stable and precise.
Inspection feed shows a minor anomaly on line 3.
Running diagnostics. It appears to be a false positive sensor error.
Systems ready. Initiate final sealing sequence. Sealing sequence initiated. Confirm transfer. Transfer confirmed. Long-term readiness authorized.
The count on aisle 7 is verified. Excellent. Proceed to the main loading bay for confirmation.